800 kilowatts DC motor on arrival. View of driving in before servicing. View of non-driving end before servicing. The armature. Armature before servicing. Commutator before skimming. Severely worn out commutator. Skimming on progress. After skimming and servicing of armature. Commutator after skimming, undercutting and beveling. Armature after servicing. View of stator on the non-driving inside after servicing. View of stator on the driving inside after servicing. View of stator on the driving inside after servicing. Armature is inserted inside the stator after comprehensive service and new bearing fitted. 800 kilowatts DC motor tested, painted and ready for departure. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.